What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today I have a no trade recap. All right, guys. So let's jump right on into this. I honestly had no plans on trading today. I'm waiting for some continuation to start to show its face again in the small caps. You know, there's no point in me forcing trades or trading outside of my go-to current strategy, just because the environment isn't really favorable for me right now. So I'm just sitting on my hands. Woke up today, figured I'd take a peek. I did. I saw a couple gappers, but they were behaving weak towards the open. So I said, you know what? I'm not touching anything. I'm going to let everything open up. And honestly, I didn't reopen up my platforms again until just now around 10:30. And sure enough, everything looks like I thought it would look. A lot of pop and fades, a lot of gap and fades, a lot of like wicks, going into the upside with a lot of selling pressure. So very choppy action in most of these small caps. So here, I'm going to show you the leading gapper this morning, at least on my scans here. Was CRIS. Had a big move pre-market, a real nice big move. But I mean, this is just like a one and done type effect, and it pulled back kind of hard to 250. And then yeah, sure, we had a bounce here, we had like a 30 cent bounce, but it's not, I mean, that's not even, it's just a one and done, honestly. We have one big push, a little curl, and then a fade. It's great for shorts. I don't have shorts on this type of stuff, on these type of stocks. So we had, well, let me just leave this here for now. We had CRIS. What else did we have? Small cap type. We had this ASNA. This is $1.15 to $1.36. Right back down to $1.17. OPGN. This is only up 11%. There's no words. Then on the top gainers and losers for the day, let me show you here. Here are my scans: CRIS, NK, AETI, OPGN, CHEK. We're going to take a look at all of these right now, but look at this: 45%, 30%, 26%, 18, 17. These floats aren't the best for, like what I like. I mean, I've traded them. I've traded stocks with these floats, but I prefer 6, 5, 10 million and under, preferably if possible. It's just, there's nothing there. These are the trade idea scanners. You can see them. You've seen them all over YouTube, I'm sure. And if you haven't, they're great because they're extremely customizable, very easy to use scans. There's a discount code in the description section here for these scanners. If you want to use them, go ahead and use my link as well. Helps me out. I make a few bucks off of that if you use it, and then you use my coupon code, and it's a win-win for both of us. You can get a nice discount there. I think it's 15% off. That's down there. But anyways, let's jump back into this. We already saw CRIS, Chris. We already saw that. It's a fade. AETI actually has a move, but it's kind of choppy. I mean, we put this huge wick up here at $1.75, all the way back down to $1.50. Not bad pullback, and then back up here to $1.72. So, I mean, this could have been a move, that was tradable today, but it's not big. $1.30 to $1.75. That's not a big move, What else? OPGN. That's self-explanatory. CHEK. That's a grinder, but I mean, we're really talking about like a 30-40 cent grind. 30-40 cent grind. It's not, I'm not going to trade these things until it's easy. Why am I going to force myself to take trades that are generally going to be outside of my go-to strategy or outside of my range? It's just not something that I want to do. So I'll stay disciplined and I'll wait. Once my trading has expanded and I'm a better trader at these, then I'll look at other opportunities, right? Because there's a world of opportunities out there. Why am I not trading those? Because I'm not an expert yet at even this one that I'm trying to trade. You know what I'm saying? So it's one step at a time. This is a marathon, not a sprint. It's one thing at a time. So let me know how you did. Hope you stayed disciplined. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and then hit the notification bell. That way you're alerted every single time I upload a video. I hope you guys are having a great start to your week. And oh, just in case you don't believe me, here you go. No trades. Whoops. Let me see. Can you see it there? No trades. No records to display because I haven't put any orders out. Talk.